Hello my dear friends! Today I will tell you about lightning sprites. Sprites are large-scale electrical discharges that occur high above thunderstorm clouds or cumulonimbus, giving rise to a varied range of visual shapes, flickering in the high sky. They are usually triggered of positive lightning between the underlying thundercloud and the ground. Sprites appear as luminous reddish-orange flashes. They often occur in clusters above the troposphere at an altitude range of 50-90 kilometers or 31-56 miles. Sprites are sometimes inaccurately called upper atmospheric lightning. However, sprites are called plasma phenomena that lack the hot channel temperatures of tropospheric lightning, so they are more akin to fluorescent tube discharges than to lightning discharges.
At this point, that's all, my friends. Help us out by clicking that like button, and also be sure to subscribe and click. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.